Hey, so I received this really cool small recording device. I received this for free in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. This is how it comes in the box. It has this nice little travel case here that's full of other accessories as well. So you can dump these things out and see what you got in there. You have some headphones, which connect via USB-C to the device. We'll see that in a second. You have an adapter cable, USB-C to USB-A in case you need it to connect to a laptop. And you also have a USB-A to USB-C cable that'll help you to charge it and also transfer data if you like. And here's the device itself. Really small and sleek. Very cool design to it. Very unobtrusive as well. Simply has a power switch there. When you turn the power on, it starts recording automatically. And then you can see that the mic here is on this side. It has a reset button that you can push a safety pin in on that side, and the spot to connect to your USB-C cable. So pretty simple, really simple, really easy to use. It does have a magnet on it as well, so you can attach that to a surface very easily. That way you can just leave it go and let it record and do its thing. So for example, if I wanted to just slap it here on the side of the fridge, just very easily slaps on the side there and just stays there and starts recording as needed when you turn that switch on. When the switch is on, it will automatically record when it hears stuff, so it won't be recording 24/7. That way it'll save space on it. It records about 30 hours of active sound, so that is really useful. And then when you want to play it back, you simply are going to plug the USB-C cord for the headphones into that slot right there, and then it's in playing mode. So when you turn it on, it'll just automatically start playing through the headphones. So very easy to use. And then, of course, you could also plug that into a computer. That way you can listen to it back on the computer as well. And also, when you plug it into a computer, you can have various options that you can change and change the date on it, change the gain on it, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and do a recording, do a test recording and see how it records. So here we go. Probably should put this down so that it doesn't pick up sound as I'm just holding on to it. So this is a test recording. We're going to see how it sounds and see how it plays back both on the headphones and also on the computer. We're going to turn it off now that we have our test recording. I'm going to plug these headphones in and listen back there and see how it sounds. All right, I'm going to listen to this back. I'm going to put these next to my recording device's mic and see if it picks it up. So this is a test recording. We're going to see how it sounds and see how it plays back both on the headphones and also on the computer. So yeah, it plays back really good on the headphones, crisp and clear. You can hear it all very good. And there doesn't seem to be any noise or static in these kinds of things, so it can kind of cancel those kinds of things out. But I'm going to listen to it back on the computer as well and make sure it has a good clean sound there as well. So this is a test recording. We're going to see how it sounds and see how it plays back both on the headphones and also on the computer. All right, so I listened to it back on the computer as well, and the sound sounds good. Sounds crisp and clear, very easy to listen to, very easy to tell what's going on and everything. So yeah, everything seems to work really good. You can also hook this up to a phone as well and listen to your recordings that way. So yeah, lots of versatility there, and seems like a good device. I like it.